What are the types of feeders? We know that feeder is a device used in the automated industry which provides the raw materials in the production line in a pre-programmed sequence. They are classified under three types: reciprocating feeders, rotary feeders, and belt feeders. Some of the commonly used feeders are as follows. Reciprocating-Fork hopper feeder. It consists of a shallow cylindrical ball that rotates about an axis inclined at a small angle to the vertical angle. A two-pronged fork reciprocates in the vertical plane. The fork dips into the rotating ball where centrifugal force pushes the parts into it. As the fork moves upward, parts of the right orientation are transferred into the delivery chute due to the effect of gravity. This kind of feeder is best suited for headed parts like bolts and rivets. Rotary-Centre-board hopper feeder. It consists of a multi-bladed wheel which can rotate inside a hopper. The blades are profiled to carry parts in a desired orientation. As a blade rotates, it lifts up parts in the required orientation and, subsequently during its cycle, delivers them onto a delivery track. This feeder can feed U-shaped parts. Elevating hopper feeder. It consists of a very large hopper with inclined sides. An endless conveyor belt fitted with selector ledgers which are designed to accept parts only in a specific orientation, thereby lifting up parts from the lowest point in the hopper to a given height where they fall off from the ledgers into the delivery chute. Parts inside the hopper are pushed to the lowest point of hopper with the help of an agitating device fitted to the base. This feeder can be used for feeding any type of parts.